know most of the time we're showing you guys our wild adventures and our fun things that we're doing, but we want to take a moment and talk to you guys about peace of mind. Now, when we're out doing those fun things, we have to know that the things that we left behind are protected. And that's where home security comes into mind. For a long time, there were just a couple of options and you had to choose one or the other. But with technology, times are changing and there's a lot more options out there. So we're actually going to ditch our current system and show you our new Ring system. Now, when a lot of people think about Ring, they think about the really cool doorbells that they have out. And while those are really, really cool, do you know they also have home security systems? And that's what we have here today. We have the Ring alarm system. So for right now, we're going to start with a quick unboxing and show you what's included in the kit. Voila. So we have a little sticker we can put in our window, let everybody know that we're protected by Ring. And we have what I assume here is probably going to be instructions. Now these are very, very important. So we'll put these off to the side and we will use them despite what some people might say.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so this is the home base. This is like the brains of the operation. Here we have a keypad, a sensor, and a motion detector as well. So these are the things that we're going to put around the house. Now our kit, what we got, came with one of each. Ring makes it so you can have different kits that you can purchase, or you can buy add-ons if you need so with your current kit. Then we have our important power supplies and whatnot to get everything work the way it should. So, seems easy enough. Let's get this put up. See, I do read the instructions. So the first thing you're going to do is to download the Ring app. You can do that either on the Apple Store or the Android Store on your smartphone, which I already have the app. So you want to open that up and set up an account. And then once you do that, it'll give you the option to add a device. So the first thing we're going to do is add our Ring base to our phone. Alright, so the first step is complete. We took our Ring base station, plugged it in with the power supply to our wall, and connected it to our Wi-Fi. Once you do that, you'll pair your base station with the application on your phone, and you're all set to go. So don't be worried if it takes a little while to get set up. It's need some time to update the alarm, verify your address, and get everything the way it needs to be. So it could take 5 to 10 minutes. Just be patient, you'll be fine. And once it's done, the nice part is the app tells you exactly the next steps. So what we're going to do is take each one of these items, the keypad, motion sensor, range extender, and the sensor, and attach it to our base. Let's see how hard it can be. So we just secured our first door using the contact sensors. It's a pretty easy process. There's just a little tab on the back, and when you pull it out, it kind of initiates things and your base reads it. So as you can see, we've got our front base here, we've got the top and the bottom, and you get those aligned, make sure they're a ½ inch apart, and you're all set. Alright, so the next component that's been installed, that's the keypad. Again, a pretty easy procedure. You just plug it into the back of the keypad, and it has a USB port, so that way you plug it in and it charges. Now you don't need to always keep it in, the battery will charge, but eventually you're going to plug it in to recharge that battery. Also, you can choose to mount your keypad onto the wall, or you can set it anywhere on a convenient table. This can be placed anywhere. You can put it in your bedroom, you can put it in your kitchen, in your hallway, so whatever works best for you. The Ring alarm can be customized to your preferences. Alright, so the next component we added was the range extender. Pretty simple, it just kind of increases the power of your signal. So what you're supposed to do is place this between your base and your furthest device. Plug it into the wall, assign it to your app, and it's all set. So one of the deciding factors for us in going with the Ring alarm system was being able to use these first alert fire and carbon monoxide detectors. So that way, if we're not at home and our dogs are home and something happens, the Ring monitoring system automatically gets notified and the proper authorities come out to take care of things. So again, just more peace of mind that you get with this Ring system and these first alert fire and carbon monoxide alarms. So there you have it. We've just installed our new Ring alarm system, and if I can do it, you can do it. I should mention that we didn't install the motion detector in our house because we have 2 large dogs, and we were kind of fearful that that would trigger that alarm. But that is definitely something that you can, fix for yourself. And now we're all set to go, and we have a couple different ways we can alarm our system. So there's 3 different ways you can control your Ring alarm. From the keypad, all you have to do is type in your code. From your smartphone, all you have to do is hit a button. Or if you have Amazon Alexa, you can control it through your own voice. So again, very customizable, great system. Everything that we love and cherish is protect while we're away on our adventures, and we're safe and sound. The minute you hook this thing up, you're covered with the Ring protection. You have a 30-day free trial, and after that, it's dirt cheap. So no excuse for not keeping your stuff safe. So listen for the beep. You know you're safe. Thanks, Ring.